Hey y'all, so today I'm bringing this wig haul / beginner wig tutorial that my Instagram followers have been asking for since last year when I first tried one. And I know they seem intimidating and a bit scary because we all know somebody with a jacked up wig and don't want to be that person, but these curly ones are mad easy and cheap, so I'm going to show you guys. First things first, we're going to protect our hair and put on our wig cap. So before I put these wigs on, I shampooed my hair, deep conditioned, then moisturized and sealed and put them in 12 plaits because I cannot cornrow, and I left out about a ½ inch of my edges. To moisturize, I used a leave-in conditioner, a buttercream, and some oil from Alley K Naturals, and the details for that will be in the description box. First wig I'm going to put on is the OUTRE for a kinky half wig in DR 425, and I got this for $20 at a local beauty supply store. So like it says, it's a half wig, but I'm wearing it without a part nor leave out, so it's finna be a full wig today. Now it has a long row of combs in the front and back to secure it, and it does have these adjustable straps, and since my hair isn't flatly cornrowed because I cannot cornrow, y'all, and I'm making it a full coverage wig, I'm gonna unhook them so it fits over my head. So to secure the wig, you just hook the combs, and I start off in the back first and just slide it. Then I pull it forward and slide the front combs in. Now, don't feel like you need to secure these wigs extra tight so that these combs are pulling out your hair. It's not necessary. Not with this one, but in the next wig I'm showing you guys, I've gone out the country with that wig in 2 different colors. I swam, went zip lining, ATVs, and all of that, and that wig did not go anywhere. So y'all see it's nothing to secure the wig down. Now I'm going to start fluffing it. And I just slide my fingers down to loosen the hair up some, not really running my fingers through it, but gliding over the hair. Then I take my wide tooth comb and lift the roots. And I use a tangle teaser to go through and just hit the ends. Like, I'm not combing all the way through, just hitting them so some of these coils break up without me having to go through one by one and separating them. Now it's time for me to take my scissors and start cutting, and then I'm going to keep fluffing as I go. I'm cutting mostly at the bottom with this wig because the top is already kind of layered and shorter, but I'm cutting at the bottom and cutting around my face and bang area just to frame my face so I don't look covered up by this wig. Alright, and that's it. You guys see, this looks like a really natural wig. Like, my real hair was actually this full. So this is a super cute wig, you guys, and this one is easy to apply. This is the easiest one I'm going to do today because you don't have to worry about leave out. The hardest part is fluffing and cutting it. Alright, so next up is the 3C Whirly half wig in S1 being 30. It's also by OUTRE, and I also got this one for $20, and it's the first wig I ever experimented with. This is my 3rd time buying this wig in a different color because I loved it so much. Now the teeth are the same in the other wig, so I'm going to put it on the same way. I'm just going to leave some of my edges out so I can blend. So obviously my roots are red, and if you don't have a different colored root from your wig, then you don't have to worry about this part. But I'm going to be taking Cream of Nature's Black Edge Gel that can be found at beauty supply stores, and I'm going to slather that all over my edges to kind of tint them back dark to blend in with this wig. A quick little natural hair hack for my ladies with thinner edges. If you use Black Edge Control, it'll make your edges look way fuller than what they actually are. Now, don't neglect the fact that your edges are thinning. You need to figure out why they're thinning and correct that. But in the meantime, while they're growing back out, or if you have like a medical issue where they're just gonna be thin, using Black Edge Control definitely makes them look fuller. In hindsight, I did need to apply a little bit more Black Edge Gel, so don't roast me, y'all. I know that's one of the downsides about doing your hair on camera. You can't exactly see everything you need to see. But I'm gonna move on, and I'm gonna apply some Eco Style gel to give me some hold and actually smooth my edges so that it blends as far as texture into this wig. I normally use the olive oil edge control gel to lay my edges because to me that gives the strongest hold, but I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil one because it's more moisturizing and it gives a light hold so that the hair isn't like perfectly straight. It kind of is wavy into the wig. Alright, so now I'm going to fluff and cut. And this one doesn't need nearly as much fluffing and cutting as the first one did. It looks great just the way it is, but I'm gonna go through and just kind of drag the scissors down to give me a little bit of layer so that it doesn't look as choppy. And I'm done with wig number 2, 3C Whirly Half Wig by OUTRE S1B30. So my final wig is the OUTRE Lace Front Jackie wig in DR1B27. I actually meant to get the DR1B30 with the 1B bottom, but I wasn't paying attention and ended up getting this all blonde wig at the bottom. And I was mad nervous, but it was too late, so I went with it. Like I mentioned, I'm a newbie with these wigs, so lace is definitely not my ministry, and I feel like 3 out of 4 lace fronts always look a dang on fool. So I'm going to cut this lace back into the hairline, like really cut it so that even some of the hairline comes out, especially around the ear area because it actually was rubbing my ear and it's uncomfortable for it to rub at your ear like that. But I'm going to go ahead, cut it all off, and I'm also not even going to fool with that part in the middle. Comb teeth on this one is a little bit different. There's a small one in the back and then 2 small ones on the side. There's nothing in the front. So when you put that on, just be mindful of that, and you may want to use some bobby pins in the front to secure the wig down so that it's laying down flat. And like I said, I'm not fooling with this lace in this part. So I'm going to actually leave my edges out. I'm going to blend that over the edge of the wig. And then I'm going to flip my hair off to the side to mask that middle part and keep it moving. Okay, so like I did with the 3C Whirly, I'm just going to go through, add this black edge control, and then layer it with the Eco Style gel to blend it all over. And you guys will see it'll blend much better this time because I apply enough of the black edge gel. Cutting this wig, you guys see that it's pretty flawless as is. There's just a couple pieces where I went through and cut the little pieces that were straggling, but other than that, there's really nothing you need to do with this wig. It's so beautiful as is. This is actually my favorite wig by OUTRE that I've tried, even though I've only tried like 4, but this is definitely my favorite. And honestly, I am loving this blonde, and it has me wanting to go blonde again, but I don't want to bleach, and I know it's hard to maintain blonde hair as far as keeping it looking neat, so we'll see. I might go back to blonde at the end of this year. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little something different. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do more of these wig videos. They're great, low manipulative options, and I actually saw some cuter ones and some cuter colors that I wouldn't mind sharing, so let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave.